Furnace repair makes your home healthier and more comfortable. It's important to keep your furnace or boiler in top working condition so they can adequately heat your home. But it's also an issue of comfort and health. Furnace repair and service isn't just about ensuring your heating system provides efficient, long-term performance. It's also about your quality of life. You may be surprised to hear that, but furnace issues can make your home less comfortable. Contact your local furnace repair service to learn more about heating system maintenance and your home comfort levels. Humidity imbalances. Furnace problems can also lead to humidity issues. A key factor in your comfort, humidity imbalances can affect your personal comfort as well as the health of your home. Too much humidity fosters mold growth, and its subsequent health dangers, as well as causes woodwork to swell and warp. Too little humidity can cause dry skin, itchy eyes, sore throats, and even nosebleeds. If your home suffers from a humidity-related problem, consider calling your furnace company for an inspection. They can provide furnace repairs and adjustments to help keep your humidity levels and home as comfortable as possible. Indoor air pollution levels. If it's been a while since your ductwork and furnace have been cleaned, they can be circulating allergens and pollutants like dust, pollen, and other particles throughout your home. Even without a duct cleaning, a furnace cleaning service can dramatically reduce the pollution levels in your air. Frequently included as part of your annual furnace service, cleaning is most important with oil and gas furnace repair. For your health and comfort, call your HVAC contractor today. Providing boiler repair as well as furnace repair. http://absolutehomecomfort.bostonbiz.com/site/services/furnace repair and install Boston MA. These professionals can keep your heating system in tip-top shape for optimal heating and comfort. Matt Gallo is a home improvement specialist and the Internet Marketing Manager for Prospect Genius, providing local businesses with online advertising solutions. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Matt_Gallo/247384